For I hear a lot of voices whispering, many, and many of them, terror on every side, as they scheme together against me, as they plot to take my life. I assure and warn you, or everybody, or anyone, spiritual people are hard to take down. You can't destroy a spiritual person. Never. We are always near God. We are always near our ancestors. We are always shouting and asking for an intervention by the oracles, by God, by Jesus, by whosoever is the saint that saved in that unshakable kingdom. I'm going to read the verse, Micah 2, verse 1. As time go by, we are going to get into the live shows about these verses and the teachings. Woe to those who devise wickedness and work evil on their beds. When the morning dawns, they perform it, because it is the power of their land. Sizwa uNkulunkulu lapha exwayisa kakhulu ethi maye kubo labo abalala bahlele baplane izinto ezimbi, bavuke bazenze izinto zobumnyama, belimaza izwe, belimaza abantu emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu ngibhekile mina ngeso lami. Abantu nabantu banamadlozi wabo, abantu nabantu babhekiwe. Ungaba ngusomaqhinga ube ngumaplane ukwenze konke. But ngiqinisile ngithi umuntu kamoya aka destroyeki kalula, akawiseki kalula. Umuntu kamoya uyingozi. Yilokho engifuna abantu bakwazi, ngoba uNkulunkulu uhlala eseduze nabo, in compensation for the spiritual work that we do as a spiritualist. With perverted heart, devises evil, continually sowing discord. For we do not wrestle against the flesh and the blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the cosmic powers over the present darknesses, against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly places. Asilwi negazi nenyama, silwa nemimoya emibi yomhlaba, imoya yobumnyama, imoya ethunyelwe ukuphazamisa, ukulimaza, ukudisturba, ukudala ubuhlungu, ukudala izinkinga, imoya ethunyelwe ukuzofaka izibopho kubantu bangadluleli la kumele badlulele khona ngokweziphiwo zabo ngokamoya, ngokuthanda kukaNkulunkulu, with what God and our ancestors really have designed it for us. Indaba yokholo inzima, indaba yaka spiritual inzima kakhulu, ngoba ingumagnethi, iwudonsa, idonsa yonke into, ngisho izintuthwane zidonsela kuwe, idonsa konke ububi, idonsa konke okuphazamisayo, okugibe, okungama stumbling blocks, konke ikudonsela kuwe. Uyabona uNkulunkulu uyasixwayisa lapha kuZakhariya 8 verse 17 ukuthi singadali izinto ezimbi ezivela kuSathane, ngoba sikonde ukuphazamisa abantu abangana macala. Do not oppress the widow, the fatherless, the sojourner, or the poor, and let none of you devise evil against another in your hearts. Ningacindezela abafelokazi, intandane, abantu abahluphekile. Akangacindezela umuntu njalo, akancediswe lapho angancediswa khona. Noma ungasamncedisanga ke, awungamkhandeli okubi. Do not devise evil in your hearts against one another. and they love no false oath. Ungafungi uzufunge ufakaza into engekho ize icindezele umuntu uyazi kahle ukuthi leyo nto leyo ayikho ekazibe khona ngoba wena uyawajabulela ukuthi umuntu lo kumele umbone ecwila. For all these things I hate, declares the Lord. Akusho mina, kusho umdali uNkulunkulu. Uyabona namhlanje ntangi ngizokhuluma nabantu ngikuzwe lezi ngubo zami zobungoma. Nginibonisa ukuthi akekho umuntu ongasiya kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu siyamazi. God is for everybody, regardless of our creed, regardless of our background, regardless of our races. God is for us all. God treasures to see us together, helping each other. Abantu mina personally ngeke ngahlaselwa ngathintini ngakidneshwa sokuyindaba nje ehlala ngikhuluma every time embonakala khona kodwa ngithi akekho umuntu onamandla okudestroya umuntu ospiritual. Spiritual people are hard to destroy and they are very dangerous. That's the reason sometimes I embrace and pray good prayers for my enemies so that they see my prosperities. No weapon that is formed against you shall succeed. Wizwini lapho akuna sikhali esenzelwe wena esizophumelela. Angishazilwa lezo zinto lezo. And you shall refute every tongue that rises against you in judgment. Sizonqoba zonke izinto nomacala ngeke abekelwe thina siwanqoba la. Akusho mina kusho uJehova umveli nqambo uSebawothi. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their vindication from me, declares the Lord. His thembiso lezo. Ilapho nani ngizokwenza isikhathi sengidazi inkani. Ngithi mina sengidimanda mina manje uNkulunkulu isikhathi solokho ngicela angisenaso. With the empire standazela amandla okushintsha izinto, amandla obumbano, amandla okucontrola, amandla egoverning. Sithandazela impilo enhle, impilo kahle, singaguli. Bese sithandazela isimo somnotho sethu singabi ordinary. We don't want to die ordinary. uNkulunkulu akasidalanga si ordinary. Uzalwa umama wakho. Wonke umuntu uphume efumbethe nokwakhe. Ngesikhathi kuyekela sitho sesikhona impilo esiphangayo. Ngabaloyi, ngama-family spirit mediums, ngabanye nabo abahlala belindele ukuthi hayi uzelwe lo siyasithatha inhlanhla abantu bakubamba bethatha inhlanhla. Hamba usebenza imali. Yekana lokho kwambu uzingelana nenhlanhla. Mhlambe lo muntu unenhlanhla nje yokuthola amadoda isindingo. Mhlambe lo muntu nje unenhlanhla zakhe zento zingasebenzi zokuthi ahambe ethandwa ngabantu mayenza ama-funnies wakhe. That's not what you want. Ake uthandazele wena nenhlanhla zakho. Yeke lokhu bhiconga nje soconga ucuya ama-guides inhlanhla zabanye abantwana. Ngeke ukusebenzela umuntu okwakhe ngokwakhe. For you will spread abroad to the right and to the left, and your offspring will possess the nations and will people the desolate cities. uNkulunkulu uzosinikeza ukuphatha, uNkulunkulu uzosandisa, uNkulunkulu uzosinikeza amandla to contain people and the cities. uNkulunkulu uzosinikeza inqubekela phambili eneseseko sefoundation yakhe yamandla ombuso. Kunenye into engingakhohlwa ngokuyibeka, kunabantu abalokhu amadlozi afuneki kuNkulunkulu. What is Abraham as of now? Lidlozi. Lot as of now? Lidlozi. Elijah, Nebuchadnezzar, all those the saints who have lived before us, our Moses, ngamadlozi. What is Jesus as of now? Lidlozi. So idlozi alicabani noNkulunkulu. Mawuthi izingelos, angels, idlozi, ancestors, sikhuluma ngento eyodwa kuyikuthi kubizwa ngendlela ezihlukile ngokwehluka kwabantu nomhlaba. Abantu bakhona sigqoka ngendlela ezihlukile ngokwehluka kwabantu nomhlaba nendawo esiphila sikuzona. Ngibe ngifisa abantu bayekele ukuletha ipolitiki beconfuse abantu baze benza abantu babone uNkulunkulu namadlozi kuyizitha, uNkulunkulu nesiko kuyizitha.